Drinking baking soda water daily has become a popular health trend, with many touting its potential benefits. This simple mixture, just baking soda dissolved in water, is said to affect health positively. But what actually happens to your body when you make this a regular habit? Let's talk about the basics of baking soda water, its possible benefits, and the risks to be aware of when incorporating it into your routine. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a household staple used in baking to help dough rise. When added to water, it raises the liquid's pH level, making it more alkaline. Some believe that this alkalizing property can help balance the body's pH, which may support certain health improvements. While it sounds simple, the effects of drinking baking soda water are worth exploring in detail. Benefits of baking soda water. One of the most common uses for baking soda water is to relieve acid reflux and indigestion. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, which can ease the burning sensation associated with heartburn. Many people find that mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water provides quick relief. However, this method is best used occasionally, as it addresses symptoms temporarily rather than curing the underlying cause. Athletes have long been interested in baking soda to improve their performance. During high-intensity exercise, lactic acid builds up in muscles, causing fatigue and soreness. Baking soda acts as a buffer, reducing this acidity and helping muscles work longer before tiring. Studies suggest that consuming baking soda before workouts can enhance endurance and allow athletes to complete more repetitions during strength training. Also, emerging research indicates that baking soda may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD. A study involving patients with CKD found that those who consumed baking soda had slower disease progression over 5 years compared to those who did not. This benefit is linked to baking soda's ability to help maintain a healthier acid-base balance in the body. Risks of baking soda water. While baking soda water offers potential benefits, it's not without its risks. Overexposing this simple remedy can lead to complications, some of which are quite serious. Drinking too much baking soda can cause metabolic alkalosis, a condition where the body's pH becomes too alkaline. Symptoms of this condition include muscle twitching, cramps, irritability, and confusion. Metabolic alkalosis occurs when excessive sodium bicarbonate accumulates in the bloodstream, disrupting the body's normal balance. Baking soda is rich in sodium, which can be problematic for people with conditions like high blood pressure or heart disease. Regular consumption can increase sodium levels in the body, resulting in elevated blood pressure and a greater risk of cardiovascular problems. Moreover, baking soda can interfere with the way the body absorbs certain medications. This could reduce the effectiveness of prescriptions or cause unwanted side effects. People taking medication for chronic conditions should consult their doctor before adding baking soda water to their daily routine. Drinking baking soda water may offer benefits like relief from acid reflux, improved athletic performance, kidney support, and reduced inflammation. However, it comes with risks such as metabolic alkalosis, high sodium intake, and medication interactions. Use it in moderation and consult a doctor first, as everyone's body reacts differently. Baking soda water isn't a cure-all, but it can be helpful in certain cases. Pay attention to how it affects you and make balanced, informed choices for your health.